Using SeeYouLink is really simple. Depending on configuration, typically, when SeeYouLink user powers on the computer, SeeYouLink starts automatically and the main menu is displayed. That is what you see when SeeYouLink starts. You have different options displayed in groups of 4, and you can use the previous and next buttons in the bottom of the screen to see all of these options. If the user has a touchscreen computer, he or she can navigate by swiping a finger across the screen horizontally. We use this concept for a number of applications. If the previous or next button or any other button in the application is gray, it means that it cannot be used at the moment. In the case of navigating, it means that you have reached either the last or the first page. Click or touch any of those big yellow rectangles to start that feature. In this case, to open the application, for example, clicking Weather will open the weather forecast for your location. The back button is always located in the lower right corner of the screen, and you can use it to get to the previous screen. Clicking it multiple times will always bring you back to the main menu. Click Calling to call some of your friends. Click the Hang Up button to hang up on the current call. If your contact's icon is gray, that means that they are not available to be called at this time. Another concept is to learn vertical scrolling through the list of items. As an example in our news application, when you opened a particular news category, you will see a list of all news articles. Use up and down buttons on the bottom of the screen to view all the items in the list. If the user has a touchscreen computer, he or she can navigate by swiping a finger across the screen. Clicking any of the items in the list will open the news article for you to read. This is our default reading layout. You can also find it in other applications such as email. Notice enlarge and reduced buttons, which you can use to adjust text size to be optimal for you. Once you do that, your adjustment will be remembered. Here again, we have up and down buttons that can be used to scroll through the text on the screen. And on the touchscreen, scrolling can be done with the finger. Textual content displayed can be read to you. Once the reading starts, you can click Pause to pause reading, and Continued to start again. Once the SeeYouLink user masters these basic concepts and gets comfortable with them, he or she will be able to use most of our applications. Depending on level of experience, that usually happens within 1 week. Using our screensaver feature, SeeYouLink can be configured to act as a digital photo frame. When the user is not active, it will play a slideshow of his or her photos and show date and time. Touching the screen or clicking the mouse or any key on the keyboard will stop the screensaver and return the user to our interface. When the user finishes with using SeeYouLink and click or touch the Exit button, typically the computer shuts down.